up guys, it's your boy Josh Sneaks and I'm back with another video. And today I got another unboxing review for you guys. Before we get into the video, make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. And if you haven't, make sure you see my previous video, which was the top 8 dunks of 2020 so far. So with everything out of the way, let's get into the video. So today I have the Jordan 1. I have the Jordan 3 Laser Orange unboxing and review. So as you guys could tell, this is a different box from the regular Jordan boxes. We do have that Laser Orange Jumpman with white around it. The bottom half of the box is that black elephant print featuring your size tag. This shoe was a women's exclusive, similar to many other shoes that I've released. And I actually managed to have 2 of those releases, the Jordan 1 Satin Snakeskins and the Jordan 1 Off-White. So make sure y'all go check that out. I do have review and unboxing of both of them, so make sure y'all go check that out. Retail on this shoe is 190 bucks. Size 10 women's, 8.5 men's. And opening the box, we do have a white elephant print paper. Take it out, and we have the shoes. I'm not trying to make them fall. So let me take it out and show you guys. That is all for the box, nothing too special about it. Let's put the box to the side and get into the shoes. So, the shoes are the Jordan 3 Laser Oranges. These did release on August 21st. And one thing right off the bat that I have to say, if you have a pair of the UNC North Carolina 3s that released earlier in 2020, there's no difference except that blue everywhere is orange on this shoe. The UNC everywhere is blue. I'll put a picture up so you guys can see what it looks like. And personally, when I saw pictures of these, I was like, I'm gonna pass on them. But when I actually got them in hand, it's pretty nice, especially the leather. But funny story about these. These did release the same day as the Nike Dunk Sambas, which was featured on my top 8 dunks of 2020. So make sure you go check that out. This did release on the same day as the Sambas, and I was going for the Sambas. However, I took 3 L's at 3 different devices, took L's and O, and then on my phone I was like, why not? Let me just try for the 3s, and I ended up copying one. So. Not my size, but I didn't plan on keeping them. I plan to resell them. So with that being said, let's jump into the review. So we're going to use the left side for this. So on the bottom of the shoe, you do have that gray cement outsole with your hints of laser orange. The Jordan is in the laser orange, and so is the front of the shoe. Moving up, you do have that air unit, as you guys can see, with that orange, laser orange to be specific, midsole and partly white. Moving up towards the back of the shoe, you do have your Jumpman and the words Air written on the back. No Nike Air because this is not an OG colorway, but still pretty nice. Moving up, you do have that laser orange behind the tongue again. And your sock liner is white, so that's pretty nice. And inside of the shoe, you do have a white Jumpman and yellow around it. This shoe only comes with 1 set of laces, white, so that's pretty nice. You also have that elephant print wrapping around the Jumpman and Air in the back. You also have that elephant print on the toe guard. This is a grayish elephant print. You also have that laser orange Jumpman with the white tongue. You do have hints of black on the shoe. It's just pretty nice. And even your lace holes, your lace eyelets actually, have, the hang tag keeps getting in the way, have that has that laser orange on it, as you guys can see there. And speaking of the hand tag, you do get a Jordan hand tag, laser orange as well. It does have that clear Jumpman with the words Air, also clear. So that is pretty nice. Unlike every other Jordan, you do get that brown shoe tree. Well, again, won't help with creases, but you can still keep them in there. Damn, this is hard. Personally, I really like this leather material on the shoe. It is a tumble leather. I don't know if you guys can see that. But you can see the pad. Let me use the right side because the hang tag keeps getting. You can see that wrinkle, that tumbled leather right there, which is pretty nice. As I said, these are not my shoes, and they are not in my size. They are size 8.5 men's, and I wear size 10 men's. So these will not be staying in the collection. And personally, speaking about how I said that this shoe and the UNC's Jordan 3s are very similar, I would prefer the Jordan 3 UNC's in this. Because personally, if you guys know, I like the color blue, and that blue is like a baby blue or UNC blue. So it's pretty nice. So that's pretty much it for the review. There's some more. You guys take a better look at the shoes. Nothing too special, just laser orange. A very simple shoe to wear in the summer. So if you guys have the money, I suggest you cop in. They're not going for too much. In this size, they're going for about $270, so not that bad. I would suggest, if you like the shoe, cop them. I don't think they'll have that much resale value over time or now, so I would just say if you like it, just cop it and wear it. It's not a resale shoe to me. But that's pretty much it for the shoes. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn up post notifications. It's been your boy Josh Sneaks, and I'm out.